How AIVA helps businesses. Victor is an HR project specialist responsible for Clairbo. Clairbo is a platform for onboarding, training, and empowering employees. Clairbo is a small product that is no longer in active development, but still requires occasional maintenance updates. Given the limited personnel and material resources, investing a significant amount of resources into extensive test automation would not be reasonable. After each maintenance update, Victor or his colleagues used to manually test various features of Clairbo: courses, assignments, users, news, etc. That was until Victor heard about AIVA. AIVA is a test automation platform with very low upfront time investment and no-code approach. It requires no installation and no technical skills. Victor decides to try it out and designs his first test case in AIVA. The test creates a new post, provides information, and verifies the post was created correctly. When designing a test in AIVA, Victor just completes the test case manually while AIVA records all actions. It really takes just 5 minutes or 1 coffee break to create the first test in AIVA. Victor runs the test. AIVA can execute it automatically and reliably. Each time Victor has a few minutes to spare, he designs another test case. Eventually, he has a total of 8 test cases covering various functionality of Clairbo. AIVA discovers issues in new version of Clairbo that would otherwise go unnoticed. Using Batch Runner in AIVA, Victor can run the full suite of tests in a batch whenever a new version of Clairbo is released. Start your automation now. You can easily automate your tests too. Start now at aiva.works.